Assalamu alaikum, brothers and sisters.
The story of the well dates back to Prophet Ibrahim, also known as Abraham, and his son Ismail, who was crying out of thirst. Hajira ran 7 times back and forth between the hills of Safa and Marwa, looking for a drop of water for her son. That's when Ismail started scraping the land with his feet, and suddenly the water sprang out. 16th August 2018. The water in Zamzam's well in Makkah is not depleted because the reservoir is connected to the renewable groundwater, so it won't dry up except under specific conditions, Geology Professor Abbas Sharik said.
Zamzam water is colorless and odorless, but have a distinct taste with a pH of 7.5 to 7.7 and so is slightly alkaline. Located around 20 meters away from the Kaaba, the Zamzam Valley is a famous destination for pilgrims who visited in to drink from the holy water. It is believed to be the oldest well on earth, as water has been flowing there for 5,000 years.
Prophet Ibrahim a.s. had left his two dear ones, Hajra and Ismail a.s. in a barren area in Mecca. Mecca at the time was completely isolated with no buildings or people living there, since there was no water for survival. There, Prophet Ibrahim left them with only a bag of dirt and a leather bag filled with water. When Hajira noticed that Prophet Ibrahim was about to make his way back to Palestine alone, she followed him, saying, "O Ibrahim, are we to be left alone in this valley with no water or food or companion?" To that Prophet Ibrahim did not respond, so she kept posing the question repeatedly without getting an answer and from Prophet Ibrahim. Therefore she said, "Did Allah order you to do this?" He replied, "Yes." Upon hearing this eloquently and with a complete reliance on Allah, she said, "Then we will not be lost." Following the order of Allah, Prophet Ibrahim, peace be upon him, left, and when he was a fair distance away from Hajira and their son, he looked back at the sacred house Al-Bayt, and as mentioned in Ayah 37 of Surat Ibrahim, he made the following supplications to Allah. "O Lord, I have settled some of my offsprings in a barren valley by your sacred house, so that they would perform the prayer. O Lord, make the hearts of some people yearn towards them and provide them with fruits or which they would give thanks." Hajira, the mother of Ismail, settled with her son, where Ibrahim, peace be upon him, left them. She breastfed him and drank from the water that Ibrahim had left for them. This water eventually ran out as the water container dried up. Consequently, Hajira became thirsty, and so did her son, who started crying and became unsettled due to his extreme thirst. Hajira hated seeing him in that state, and she set forth looking for water. As Safa, being the mountain closest to her, she climbed it and looked down at the valley to see if she could find anyone to assist her. She found no one, and so she descended from the mountain until she reached the valley. Then she climbed Al-Marwa, the mountain, in keeping her search for water, but to no avail. She went back to As-Safa, then came back again to Al-Marwa for many times. On her last arrival to Al-Marwa, she heard a voice which prompted her to call out, "Help if you can." There was an angel Jibreel, peace be upon him, who hit the ground with his wings until fresh and pure water emerged. That became known as Zamzam water. The mother of Ismail gathered the water with her hands and collected it in her container. While it was springing out, Jibreel said, "Do not fear loss, for there is a sacred house here which will be built by this child and his father."